The Little Fox and the Snowy Forest. Once upon a time, deep in a snowy forest, there lived a little fox named Felix. Felix loved to explore, but during the cold winter months, everything seemed quiet and still. One day, while wandering through the forest, Felix saw something sparkling in the distance. Curious, he followed the glittering light until he found a small, magical crystal lying in the snow. The crystal began to glow brighter as Felix approached. Suddenly, a warm voice spoke. "Thank you, little fox, for finding me. I am the winter spirit, and I need your help. The forest is losing its magic, and only you can restore it." Felix, feeling brave, asked, "What should I do?" The winter spirit explained, "You must plant this crystal at the heart of the forest, and the magic will return." Without hesitation, Felix took the crystal and ventured into the heart of the snowy forest. As soon as he placed the crystal on the ground, the snow began to glow. Trees shimmered with frost, animals awoke from their deep sleep, and the forest was filled with warmth and light once more. Felix was hailed as a hero by the animals of the forest, and from that day on, the little fox was known as the guardian of the winter forest. Every winter, the animals remembered Felix's bravery and the magic he brought back to their home.